Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Esther, your go-to guide for all things content creation. Today I've got something super exciting for you all. Whether you're a seasoned video editor or just starting out, mastering your editing software can make a huge difference in your content. That's why in today's video I'm showing 12 amazing tips and tricks for using CapCut that will take your videos to the next level. CapCut is a powerful free video editing app that's perfect for creators at any level. It offers a ton of features that can help you create professional quality videos right from your phone or tablet. And guess what? Some of the top content creators on YouTube are using CapCut to make their videos go viral. From adding auto lyrics, voice isolation to creating eye-catching effects and many more, CapCut is a game changer in the world of video editing. So without further ado, let's jump right into the first tip. Our first tip is beauty enhancement using the retouch feature. We tap on our video clip and then scroll over to retouch. Tap face. Now scroll to the end and tap whitening teeth. This is the current status of my teeth after filming. Now we adjust the slider to a perfect point of our choice without it making our teeth look unrealistic. Hair or your wig into defined curls. And one tip for you guys is to know that the smaller the coiling iron, the tighter the curls, and vice versa. Next up is auto cutout. We're going to use both a sticker and a text for this tutorial. Starting off with the sticker auto cutout, tap the clip. Scroll over to duplicate, and guys, while still on the duplicated copy of the video, scroll over to overlay. The duplicate is made into an overlay and we can now drag it to the start of the initial video clip. Now we have to scroll over to remove BG, tap auto removal, and CapCut as usual does its thing. After that has been said and done, tap overlay and import a sticker. Let's just use this CapCut sticker. We need to scroll over to transform, tap resize on your mobile phone, and now adjust the sticker to desired taste. We just need to position this properly. Then scroll over to layer. Now tap the second overlay, which is going to take the sticker to the back. And there you have it, guys. Now let's try it with a text. Let's scroll over to text and add a text. Subscribe to my channel if you want more exciting CapCut tips and tricks. After that, we tap on layer and tap on the second overlay once again, and automatically the text is placed behind you. Now let's create a thumbnail right within the CapCut app, fast and easily. Tap on cover, and using the slider we can choose which exact frame we want to use for the thumbnail. Now tap next. Right here we can go ahead to edit our thumbnail. Tap template for thumbnail inspo. Here we can see varieties of thumbnails, and if we want to be more specific, we can scroll over to the type of niche we want the thumbnail for. Let's tap on this to use as a tutorial sample. Right now, we can edit the text to our choice of words and position them to our taste. This exact video tutorial thumbnail was created using CapCut, from the AI avatar to the text on the thumbnail. We can also change the text color as well as the font. We just have to figure out which color and text fit and look eye-catching for our thumbnail. There are just a lot of fonts to choose from, and once we are done, all we got to do is tap done and save. Next up is auto captions. Let's go ahead to tap text and then auto captions. Now we have to scroll through the template to choose which one we prefer. After that is selected, we tap generate and that immediately is generated.
Get comfortable and let's get started on making your animation speak.
Customized AI text. After we tap text, we tap text template. Now we are going to tap AI that has free on it, and once that loads up, we will choose our preferred prompt from the varieties of prompts available. We have got different niches with different prompts. But since this channel is a technology niche, let's load that up and use any of the available prompts for our video. Now let's just choose the skyline prompt. Right there, we erase the text and type in whatever we think fits. Let me type in my channel name and tap generate. While that is generating, this was the previous AI generated text I created with a different prompt. If we do not like it, we tap regenerate, but since we do like it, we tap add. Now we can position it anywhere in the video as a watermark if we want to. Now let's go over to learning about keyframes. Highlight a clip and place a keyframe. Scroll over to another portion of the clip. Zoom the clip either forward or outward. In our case, it will be forward. Keyframes can be used to create aesthetic, smooth zoom cuts, which is what this exact tutorial aspect is about. We can use this feature on text and images as well as to make our content more dynamic. And do know that the farther the keyframes are from one another, the slower the zooming will be, and vice versa. Now back to the tutorial. When we are satisfied with our positioning and that keyframe will be placed there, please note that we don't need to tap on the keyframe feature again. Once we carry out an action on the clip, the second keyframe will automatically appear on that position.
Dear guys, It's Esther and welcome back to another editing tutorial. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of animation. If you've ever wondered...
Now let's repeat the steps, but this time the keyframes will be closer to each other.
Dear guys, it's Esther and welcome back to another editing tutorial.
Right now, let's try the keyframe feature on a video with a moving person in it. Pick the position of the clip we want to animate, then we tap on keyframe. Basically the same process we did for the other clip, but we have to make sure to position our clip properly because the person is moving within the video and we don't want a smooth zoom cut to an irrelevant view of the video. I hope you all get what I mean. We can see that while he's talking, his face is showing, and what he's talking about is also zoomed outward. Everything is showing at once. This is how creators add that extra flair to their videos, keeping viewers hooked. Next up, let's learn voice isolation using CapCut. I created a video folder structure for an efficient video editing workflow. Save me time and effort. Main projects folder. This is a video I created with a voiceover and added music to it. So what we want to do is to remove the music from audio library added to it because it was causing a copyright ID claim on the video. I do not like seeing that on my channel, even though it is considered harmless to one's channel. I believe I am not the only one that feels that way. But let me know in the comment section if you like this CapCut feature after watching this aspect of the tutorial. So away from our portal, back to the tutorial. Tap on the video, then we scroll over to isolate voice. This is a pro feature if I didn't mention. Since we only want the voiceover, we tap keep vocal and the music will be deleted. There we have it. I created a video folder structure for an efficient video editing workflow. Save me time and effort. Main projects folder. This feature can also be used for isolating songs with beats in them as well. If you have already exported and deleted the drafted copy of a video from your editing software and you want to remove or isolate a voiceover or music from the video, this feature is very useful in saving you from stress. Furthermore, let's move on to auto reframing. Before we use the auto reframe feature, let us look at how a video shows when we use just the aspect ratio feature to transform a YouTube video to a TikTok video. You can also see that part of the guy's face doesn't show while he's talking, but with the auto reframe feature, that is not our case. Now let's use the auto reframe feature. Tap on the video clip and scroll to the auto reframe feature. This is also a pro feature. Now tap on the TikTok. And here we can see that the video comes out perfectly. His whole face and body shows while it moves, unlike the first video. I hope you guys are learning one or two from this tutorial. If you are, please give this video a like and subscribe if you are yet to do that. Now let's move ahead to our ninth clip, text tracking. Tap text and then text template. We then have to scroll over to tag. Now we have to choose our tag. Let's just go with this, then go ahead to edit it. Now we are going to use it to track the coat our vlogger is wearing. Tap check and then scroll over to tracking. Do this and tap start tracking. And that is done. Up next is auto lyrics. This CapCut feature is very great because it automatically generates a lyrics to any song we import into our video in any language. So in order to generate one, we just need to tap text, then we scroll over to the auto lyrics feature, select audio. We can select whichever language we want, but let us first leave it in English. Now tap generate and let's listen.
I'm about to go off like a weapon. Fuel to the top, got a filled up engine. In my thoughts, obsession. I will not stop. No.
Now let's try it in a different lyrics. My Indonesian viewers, please help us confirm in the comment section if this lyrics generated is perfectly correct.
I'm about to go off like a weapon. Fuel to the top, got a filled up engine. In my thoughts, obsession.
And that is all about the auto lyrics feature. If you're still here learning, you have done yourself so good. Next up is color correction. Let us take our dull looking video to a vibrant and captivating looking video with just one spectacular tap. We got to tap on our video clip, then scroll over to adjust. Now scroll to color correction. This is also a pro feature, as we can all see. Tap it and automatically our video looks more attractive. And then we can also set this to whatever we deem fit. How cool is this video right now? And lastly, we got the Unlink feature. Right now, let us unlink our text from a portion of our video we intend to delete. Let's say we want to delete this portion of our video clip like we see right now. The text deletes with a portion of the clip. But in order to avoid that, what we want to do is to tap on the portion of the clip we want to delete. Then scroll over to the Unlink feature at the end. Tap Unlink and then tap delete. And graciously, our text remains intact. This step can also be used for stickers as well as audio. I have a more detailed tutorial on my channel on how to unlink your vital element from a portion of your video, as well as how to link them to a particular clip or frame of your video. So yeah. Alright, that was just the first of 12 tips we have for today. Stick around to learn more about how you can use CapCut to its full potential, just like your favorite YouTubers do to make their videos go viral. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more editing tips and tricks, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any update. Also leave a comment below with your favorite CapCut tip or any questions you have about the app. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.